Look at me for a moment. What if the one word stopping your success is a word you say every day? What if saying never is quietly blocking your English, your confidence, and your future? Today, we change that, step by step, and we do it together. Never say never. Mindset for spoken English and life. Welcome back. If you are learning English, if you want to speak English confidently, and if you sometimes feel stuck or afraid, this video is for you. Many English learners say things like, "I'll never learn English. I'll never speak fluently. I'm too shy. My English is bad." But today, we start a different journey. In this lesson-based video, you will learn 7 powerful mindset lessons that help you learn English more effectively, improve English speaking, practice spoken English with confidence, and change how you talk to yourself. This is not motivation without meaning. This is practical thinking for real English learners. Take a breath. Let's begin. You only lose when you quit. Let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever tried to speak English and someone laughed? Have you ever made a mistake and felt embarrassed? Have you ever thought, English is not for me? That moment, right there, is where many people quit. But here's the truth, and I want you to repeat this quietly in your mind. You only lose when you quit. Making mistakes is not failure. Feeling uncomfortable is not failure. Stopping is the only real failure. A simple example. Imagine you are learning to ride a bicycle. You fall. You get up. You fall again. Does that mean you will never ride a bike? No. It means you are learning. Learning spoken English works the same way. The English learner's trap. Many learners say, "I tried before and it didn't work." But learning English is not one try. It is practice, feedback, and repetition. If you speak one sentence today, you are better than yesterday. If you quit, you stop growing. Change one word. From today, stop saying never. Start saying not yet. I can't speak English confidently. Not yet. My pronunciation is weak. Not yet. I'm afraid to speak. Not yet. This one change keeps the door open. Small practice. Say it with me. I am learning English. I improve English speaking every day. I don't quit. Good. Let's move forward. Your present level is not your final level. Right now, your English may feel limited. Maybe you struggle with vocabulary, forget grammar while speaking, feel nervous in conversations, and you think, "This is how I am." But listen carefully. Your present level is not your final level. Learning English is a process. No one wakes up fluent. Every confident English speaker was once a beginner. Fluency is built slowly, sentence by sentence. Think like a learner, not a judge. Instead of judging yourself, observe yourself. What did I learn today? What word did I practice? What mistake taught me something? Growth happens quietly. The seed example. Think about a seed in the ground. For a long time, you see nothing. Does that mean nothing is happening? No. Roots are growing. Your English is the same. Even when you don't feel progress, your brain is learning. Simple daily action. To improve English speaking, do this daily. Speak English for 5 to 10 minutes. Read one short paragraph aloud. Learn 3 new words and use them. Small actions create a strong future. Say this, "My English is growing, even if I can't see it yet." Your environment does not control you. Many learners say, "People around me don't speak English. My family doesn't support me. My town has no opportunities." But here's the truth. Your environment influences you, but it does not control you. Growth happens inside first. You can build confidence even in a quiet room. You can practice spoken English alone. You can learn English with your phone, your voice, and your decision. The bamboo lesson. Simplified. A bamboo plant grows underground for years before you see it. Your learning may be invisible now, but strength is building. Practice anywhere. You don't need permission or perfect conditions. Speak English while walking. Describe objects in your room. Talk to yourself in English. This is real English speaking practice. Powerful sentence. Repeat. My situation does not limit my growth. Say it again. Good. Small efforts create big results. Many people wait for big motivation, but improvement comes from small daily effort. The ice cube example. If you slowly raise the temperature, nothing seems to change, until it does. Your English improvement works the same way. Every small practice session matters. 2 learners. Learner A practices English 10 minutes daily. Learner B waits for free time. After 1 year, the difference is huge. Avoid the all or nothing mistake. Don't say, if I can't study for 1 hour, I won't study. Say, I'll do 5 minutes. Consistency beats intensity. Simple challenge. For the next 7 days, speak English for 5 minutes daily. Use the same topic, your day. That's it. Small steps build confidence.
You do not need permission to start. Many English learners wait for confidence, perfect grammar, approval. But here is the truth. You don't need permission to begin. Confidence comes after action. You don't speak confidently, then practice. You practice, then become confident. Mistakes are part of learning English. Start before you feel ready. Speak with mistakes. Pronounce words imperfectly. That's how improvement happens. English is a skill, not talent. You are allowed to speak badly, forget words, try again. That is learning. Say this clearly. I give myself permission to learn. You become what you practice. Your daily actions shape your identity. If you practice silence, you stay silent. If you practice speaking, you become a speaker. Habits create confidence. Speak daily, you become confident. Avoid speaking, fear grows. Motivation starts you. Habits build you. Identity shift. Don't say, I want to learn English. Say, I am an English learner. Then, act like one. Simple system. Choose identity, English speaker. Daily action, 5 minutes speaking. Track progress, repeat. This is how you improve English speaking naturally. Your circle shapes your confidence. People around you affect how you think. Negative voices say, why try? You'll never be fluent. But you can choose a better circle. Your circle is also digital. What you watch, listen to, and read matters. Choose English learning videos, spoken English practice content, encouraging voices. Your phone can help you learn English or stop you. Protect your mind. You don't need to argue. Just protect your learning space. Growth needs calm, not noise. Let's review quickly. You only lose when you quit. Your current level is not final. Your environment doesn't control you. Small efforts create big change. You don't need permission to start. Habits shape identity. Your circle influences growth. Final practice. Say this out loud. I am learning English. I practice spoken English every day. I speak English confidently, step by step. I never say never. If this lesson helped you, stay with me. Like this video so more learners can find it. Subscribe if you want calm, clear English learning guidance. And share this with someone who wants to learn English and speak confidently. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need the courage to keep going. See you in the next lesson.